Hey guys, so after trying out a few different interior cleaning products for my car, I found that this Adams Total Interior Cleaner with added protection is probably the best. This cost about $10 for a 1 pint or 473 milliliter bottle, which is typical when it comes to this type of product. But what I like about this is not only does it clean well, but that added protection is ceramic infused, which makes this like a ceramic spray coating, but for your car's interior. And it also works on all surfaces except for tinted glass. So let's try it out. My favorite thing about this product is just how easy it is to use. As you can see, I can spray a microfiber towel and wipe down the dashboard in one step, and it gets the car clean and adds some nice shine to the interior. It also protects it from degradation caused by sunlight or from staining or whatever, because it does have that ceramic protection. And there's no worrying about buffing because it won't streak. You just spray it on, wipe it off. It's that easy. For dirtier surfaces like the steering wheel here, you may have to apply more of the cleaner and let it work for a little bit, but it's still mostly a spray-on, wipe-off process. My car has the BMW Sensitech interior, but the steering wheel is leather wrapped, and this cleaner not only gets it clean but also leaves a nice shine, and it saves me from having to use another leather specific product because this cleans and protects all interior surfaces. Even though it's not marketed for this purpose, you can also use Adams Total Interior Cleaner to wipe down the plastic covers in your engine bay. Now, if you have a lot of grease or grime, this product is not going to work. You need a real degreaser. But if you're just removing some light dust under the hood and want to give those plastic engine parts some protection and shine, this works surprisingly well. Even though it's not really marketed for it, I still use it and it works great. So overall, I'm quite impressed by this product since it's so useful. I can clean literally every surface in my car's interior except for the windows, which are tinted, using this product. It even comes in handy under the hood. Now, all opinions are my own. I was not sent this product. I bought it with my own money, but I'll leave a link in the video description to buy it if you want to check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and see you on next time.